A dramatic end to an entertaining match between Sunderland and Arsenal. Back-to-back goals in the game. It ended 2-2 between Arsenal and Sunderland in today's game, and Arsenal have lost their clean sheet after 8 runs. It was crazy today because Sunderland were ready. They were battle ready for Arsenal from the blast of the whistle. From the first minute, they were ready to take on Arsenal, and they were able to match Arsenal fitness for fitness, physicality for physicality, energy for energy. Especially in that first half, they won almost all their second balls. All the area ball, they didn't even give Arsenal a chance in today's game. But at the end of the day, 90 minutes of fantastic football from both sides, and Arsenal missed so many chances in today's game. So comes the question, did they miss Victor Gyökeres in today's match? Because a lot of people, Gyökeres have not been scoring plenty goals, but in my own opinion, they missed him so much. The fear factor that it brings up front, the freedom that allows other wingers like Trossard or Bukayo Saka, the freedom that they get. And if you follow Arsenal closely, for the past 3 seasons or 2 seasons, it's not the big teams that gives them problem. It's teams like Sunderland, it's teams like Aston Villa, which they are not able to win because maybe they just need a striker to break through the low blocks. And Victor Gyökeres have been able to do that for them this season. But in today's game, it was difficult. You're expecting goals from Merino, expecting goals from Zubimendi. Bukayo Saka scored, got equalizer in the second half, and Trossard scored, scored a stunning goal. Trossard, fantastic goal. The first time he's going to score from out of the box since 2021. It was a stunner, that goal from Trossard. And that's the kind of goal that wins you a game. But despite David Raya's heroics in today's game, because David Raya was fantastic in today's game, that last one, it shouldn't have gone out for that game, for that cross. It shouldn't have gone out for that cross, and that cost Arsenal in today's game, cost them all 3 points. They still had a chance even to score the third goal in the game, but the keeper for Sunderland was ready. Just like Granit Xhaka riled the boys up, Granit Xhaka inspired the boys today, and they stood toe to toe against Arsenal. Sunderland are yet to lose at home this season, and they are yet to be beaten by any London side in the Premier League this season. They are third on the table now with 19 points. So fantastic performance from Sunderland. I have to give it to them. They took Arsenal. They were ready for the challenge against Arsenal, and when they were down 2-1, they found their strength again and put pressure on Arsenal. I would have preferred that Teta brought in Mazdus Kelly when he took out Eberechi Eze, because when he took Eberechi Eze out in the game, the midfield collapsed completely. He should have possibly brought in Mazdus Kelly to play in that midfield for the next 10 minutes, and see how he can win fouls, slow down games, and dictate a bit of the tempo in the middle of the park, as against bringing Mosquera, because eventually bringing in Mosquera, they still considered, and they could